This video shows how to replace the heatsink cooling fan and internal cooling fan on an Eco IP55 frame size 4 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage to the plastics and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the terminal cover, use a large flathead screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws. Now use a Security Torx 30 screwdriver to loosen the 4 screws that hold the top access cover in place. Tilt the cover and carefully pull the ribbon cable away from the control board. To replace the heatsink fan, remove the push-fit connector, then remove the fan connector using a terminal screwdriver. Push the 4 clips towards the heatsink with a flathead screwdriver. Then pull the fan box away from the chassis. Please note, when fitting the new fan, the white fan label must face inwards to ensure the correct airflow direction through the drive. Replace the fan using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. To replace the internal fan, disconnect the fan by pulling the push-fit connector away from the PCB. Use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the screw holding the internal fan to the fan bracket. The torque setting is 1 Nm. Pull the fan away from the fan bracket. Replace the fan using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.